Because she say I cannot go to the 8th floor, so maybe you need to come down the 4th floor. Your electronic board.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. How was your day?
It's good.
Good.
Good. Very busy today.
Yeah.
This one is already okay.
Yeah.
Polar electronic system. I just take a video, do some advertisement.
Yeah. Sure. Yeah, nice.
Yeah, so this one is already clean and everything is repaired. Oh.
Maybe I will come back to your factory to discuss about the machine.
Because tomorrow my brother and me go back Malaysia.
Okay.
Go back Malaysia.
Okay.
And my brother will come back on 6 days later.
No problem.
Yeah.
I will come back on January.
Oh, January?
Yeah.
Okay,
Maybe
no problem.
I will need to order more
Okay,
system.
no problem.
Thank
So
you very much.
January you call me.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Great.
Thank you. Bye bye. 那电路板我们也是有供应的，那所以说我们不只是机器啊，我们连电路板、线路板、印刷机的配件我们都能提供，那怎么说呢？做这个机械行业啊，说实话也是半个服务行业，对吧？因为客户很急啊，那所以我们也是开车过道来，急客户所急是我们的一个宗旨。那这一个呢，也是我学会的一个道理。那我现在呢也准备回去佛山了。